Siguro one of the biggest lessons that I learned is that despite yung mga paghihirap na pinagdadaanan namin inside, it's really a matter of perspective kung paano ka sasaya, kung paano mo hahanapin yung saya sa kabila ng lungkot, and it's because of the people inside. Honestly, I'm just grateful talaga and I'm really happy. And yeah, I'm here. It's good to be back.